Nicolaus Copernicus. Nicolaus Copernicus was born in Thorn, Poland on 19th February 1473 and has been marked for being a Renaissance astronomer. He was known for the formulation of the complete heliocentric cosmology, which was in context to the movement of Earth from its central position of the universe. He had even designed the heliocentric model, whereby the Sun was in the middle of the universe. This model had derived immense recognition amongst the large mass of people. Copernicus also made several significant scientific researches and became a pioneer in the scientific strata, commonly regarded as the Copernican Revolution. He was a remarkable astronomer, physician, eminent scholar, mathematician, economist, artist, and translator. This multi-talented personality researched about the value of money and wrote about it in the year of 1526. The most important and widely known theory of Copernicus got published in De Revolutionibus Orbium Coelestium in the year 1543. This theory was devised many decades before its publication. He died on 24th May 1543. Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla, who is considered as the father of modern alternating current electrical supply system, was a Serbian-American inventor, electrical engineer, as well as a physicist. His discovery in the field of electromagnetism provided a basis for Michael Faraday to work on his discoveries of wireless communication and radio. Tesla demonstrated a short-range wireless telecommunication through radio in the year 1894. His demonstration of wireless energy transfer to power devices in 1891 led to the development of wireless transmission of industrial power. During his later part of life, he lived a reclusive life. Due to his short temper and nature of work, he was deemed as a mad scientist. In the year 2005, Tesla was named as one among the 100 greatest Americans of all time by an open poll conducted by the Discovery Channel and AOL. The SI unit measuring magnetic field was named Tesla in his honor. Nikolai Basov. Nikolai Basov was a famous Soviet educator and physicist. He is well known for his elementary work in quantum electronics. He won the Nobel Prize in the year 1964 for the development of laser and maser. His co-partners were Alexander Prokhorov and Charles Hart Towns. He completed his graduation from Moscow Engineering Physics Institute. Later in life, he was elected a corresponding member of the USSR Academy of Sciences. In 1966, he became a full member. His discovery led to a new initiative for missile defense. He entered politics and became a member of the Supreme Soviet in 1974. After he had invented laser, it was nicknamed as a solution looking for a problem. It proved to be very useful in the field of medicine, industry, and military. On the other hand, maser is a device which is useful to produce coherent electromagnetic waves. It was amplified by stimulated emission. They are generally used in radio telescope as low noise microwave amplifiers. Nicolas Bernadotte. Nicolas Bernadotte was born on 1842 in the Kherson state in family with armed force tradition. He was a Russian. At Kiev University, he did his studies. In 1862, he connected with the staff of medicine of Kiev University by recommendation from his father. In the year 1885, he invented welder. The welder is a metal device that is hot, which melts two or more divisions together. Fastening two pieces of metal together by softening with heat and applying pressure was detected in an effort for changing plus connecting iron in shapes which are of use. A special type of electricity is used by him for making it work plus cooperate. For beginning the welding, safety should be considered first of all. 200 more items were invented by Nicolas Bernadotte. The only way for permanently joining different pieces for acting as a single piece is welding. He died in the year 1905. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.